Recording na. Hello guys, welcome back to Real Theater Talks.
The podcast where we spill the real tea on all things arts, theater, and creativity.
And I'm Carlo.
And my name is Hannah, and today's episode is all about one of the most expressive forms of art dance.
Alam mo yung minsan, may tugtog lang tapos gumagalaw ka na nang hindi mo napapansin. Parang may rhythm na humihila sa katawan mo kahit wala kang balak sumayaw.
So yung parang automatic na, like yung merong biglang may tutugtog na beat and suddenly you're in a music video na pala. Parang ganun ba, partner?
Yes, tama. That's the power of dance. One of the oldest form of expression ng tao.
So, before we even learned to talk, sumasayaw na talaga tayo eh. So, dance was our first language, a way, like to communicate, to celebrate, or to survive.
Yes, partner. Tama yan.
So, the question is, for you, what really is dance? For you,
For
ha?
me, oo.
Yeah.
For me, dance is art through movement, ganun. It's not just steps of choreography. It's emotion in motion. Nagigets mo?
Yeah, exactly. Parang it's your body is, speaking feelings that words can describe. Like, minsan, di ba, mas madali pang ipakita sa galaw kaysa sasabihin, no?
Tama dyan, partner. Kaya nga sabi nila, dance is the language of the soul. It's movement, rhythm, and story all in one.
And alam mo ba, partner, meron dyan fun fact. And gusto mo
What?
malaman
Ano
fun
yun?
fact?
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Sabihin mo sa akin.
Okay.
Kwento mo yun.
Fun fact, since the start of civilization, dance has always been there. So from rituals and courtship to celebration and even sa training. And ayun yung fun fact natin for today.
Ayun eh. Ibig
Yeah.
sabihin, kahit yung mga ancient Greeks believed that people who could dance well could also fight well. Maybe for them, grace equals strength.
Yeah. So, ang tanong, bakit nga ba sumasayaw ang tao? O sige, para sa'yo, bakit nga ba tayo sumasayaw?
Daming reasons nante. Sabi nga,
Oo. O
maybe
sige,
to
ano
please,
yun?
maybe to please gods, to express emotion, to connect with others, or simply to have fun, ganon.
Oh, so kaya kung mapapansin mo, every dance ay meron yung mga purpose, no? May mga dahilan kung bakit siya ginagawa.
Exactly, partner. Whether it's ritual, celebration, or kahit TikTok, it's always about connection.
Yes, from ancient ritual to viral, like, alam mo yung mga tala and ganto, ganto, right? Mga ganto challenges sa TikTok, we've always done to tell stories and share energy. Ikaw, partner, kaya mo ba sumayaw ng ganto? Pakita mo naman
Hindi,
ako, like,
partner. Shy
first.
type kasi ako eh.
Ay, nako, sayang naman. Ay, yung mga ganito, oh. Ganito. Ganun.
Hindi ko kaya yun, partner. Pero partner, alam mo ba, merong three main types of dance.
Oh, ano yun? Tatlo na yun.
Folk dance, or ethnic, ballroom dance, and theatrical dance.
So,
Umpisahan natin sa folk.
these are the dance na galing mismo sa mga tao. No? Yung kultura, mga tradisyon, kwento ng mga tribos at probensya. Magbigay ka nga
Yes,
ng mga
partner.
example nito. Meron ka bang alam na example na ganyang dance, mga ethnic dance?
Oo, partner. Naaalala ko nung elementary ako, nagsasayaw kami ng ganun para sa grade. Alam mo yung
Oo.
tinikling?
Oo.
Nasayaw ko yun, yung
Yung may
tinikling.
kawayan.
Yes.
Oo.
Tapos, na-try din namin mag-itik-itik, singkil, tsaka maglalatik. Yung karinyosa, hindi ko na na-testing yun eh, kasi sumakit na ang ulo ko dun. Lahat yan, reflections ng Pinoy creativity.
I love that. You know what? Na-try ko rin before magkarinyosa at tiniklian. Like, childhood memories, and they're inspired by, everyday life, birds, love stories, and even mock battles, right?
O, di ba, partner? Hindi
Yeah.
yun ginawa para sa fame. Ginawa yun to tell stories about life, pag-ibig, maybe
Wow.
fate, di ba?
Yeah. So, next up is ballroom. Nagawa mo na ba mag-ballroom?
Ballroom partner? Naku, hindi eh. Alam ko kasi pang mayamang tao lang yan.
Ay, nako, alam mo ba dati, dapat ng grade 10 ako, magbo-ballroom kami. Kaso nagkaroon ng pandemic. So anyways, ballroom, ayan yung dance of elegance and connection.
O, tropa ko, nagganan yung tropa ko. Sabi niya sa akin, meron yung waltz, tango, cha-cha, rumba, and samba. Tapos yung five na yun, may kanya-kanyang meaning yun. Waltz
Mhm.
for elegance, tango for drama, cha-cha yung energy, rumba
Yeah.
is for romance, and samba is for celebration, ganun.
Oh, ayun pala yun. And alam mo, partner, meron na naman tayong fun fact.
Meron na naman,
Another fun,
partner. Ano
yeah.
yan?
Like, another fun fact for today is ballroom started sa mga royal courts sa Europa. So, parang ancient version siya ng Let's Dance. So, like, yung parang first date nila. Ganon.
Sa mga prinsesa at prinsipe na uso yan, di ba?
Yeah.
But now, it's like an art form. Two people moving as one, full of chemistry and grace. Ito naman yung pangentablado, yung pangatlo partner, yung theatrical dance. Familiar ka ba doon? Yung parang tina-perform siya through storytelling and emotion.
So like, ay yung parang mga ballet, interpretative, or yung mga contemporary dance. Like,
Oo,
each move, like, nagtitell siya ng story kahit walang mga sinasabi, no? Walang mga salita.
galing mo partner, tumpak mo yun.
Kompa.
Theatrical dance is just basically acting through movement. A visual poem, ganun.
Wow, ang ganda nun. It's not just something you watch, right? It's something
Yes,
you feel, right? So,
yes.
partner, another question. What makes a dance complete? Sige nga, paki-elaborate nga sa akin na. What makes a dance complete? For you, ano?
Alam mo partner, kahit yung dance, may elements yan na pag kinulang siya, hindi na siya kompleto, di ba? Meron
Uh,
niyang 8 elements. Meron niyang theme, design, movement, technique, music, costume, choreography, and scenery. Yan yung
oh,
8.
also, in short, it's not just about moving, no? It's about creating a world through, motion, no?
Galing mo dyan, partner. Each element adds like characters in a story, all moving to one rhythm.
So,
So,
oh, sige,
ano
partner.
yung partner? Baka may sasabihin ka.
So, oo, ako kasi partner. So, noon pa, part na siya ng mga rituals and religion. But later on, naging art form na siya and social activity, right?
Yes, partner. Parang yung pag-usapan natin ngayon yung Philippine dance and history kasi pasok siya dun sa sinabi mo.
Oo.
In the 1920s, people like Francisca Reyes Aquino documented our folk dance. Because of her, di sila nawala. So imagine mo yun, kung wala si Francisca Reyes, paano na lang yung mga sayaw natin ngayon, di ba?
Yeah,
Makawala tayo nun.
exactly, tama. And then, they came the Bayanihan Dance Company in the 1950s naman. Na?
Yes.
Like, they brought Filipino culture to the world stage.
And now, dance has evolved again, from stage to social media. Di
Yeah,
ba?
like, partner, like, alam mo yung mga hip-hop, K-pop, TikTok, like, lahat yan, all part of today's dance ecosystem, right?
Tama ka dyan, partner, sa sinabi mo. Alam mo ba, sabi ng iba, nawawala na daw yung artistry ng dance. Pero
Mm-mm.
to be honest, depende lang naman siguro yun sa perspective ng tao. Kasi di ba, kahit simpleng viral dance. Kung may passion at joy, it's still art pa din.
Yeah, tama. And it's modern version of folk dance kasi, di ba? Like, made by the
Yes.
people. Oh, for the people.
For the
So,
people. Oh.
yeah, for the people, right? So, from rituals to reels, from tribal steps to TikTok trends, dance has always been part of who we are, right?
Yes, partner. Alam mo yung every movement tells a story. Maybe
Yeah.
on maybe the culture, emotion, and maybe the evolution itself.
Yeah. So, sayaw is memory. Sayaw is identity. And sayaw is expression. Di ba? All rolled into rhythm. Right,
Oo,
partner?
partner. Yes, partner. Kaya next time na may tugtog at bigla ka na lang napagalaw ng kusa,
Yeah.
tandaan mo, hindi lang yan trip, partner. You're moving with
Oh,
history.
oh, so you moving with history na. Ito with history na to.
Yes. You're dancing with the generations before you, before us.
Oh, so this has been Sayaw from Rituals to Reels, where rhythm meets story and every move has meaning. Okay, partner, it's time to say goodbye to everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching us. Goodbye.
Bye.
Uy, patayin ko lang.
Go.